Welcome to the channel The $25 Investor, where we break down how small, consistent investments can turn into life-changing wealth over time. What if I told you that just $25 a week, yes, less than the cost of a few fast food meals, could potentially grow into hundreds of thousands of dollars or even more if you stay consistent and patient? In today's video, we are focusing on one powerful company riding the wave of the artificial intelligence revolution, Oracle Corporation. Artificial intelligence is not just hype, it is transforming industries from healthcare to finance to cloud computing. And companies that provide the backbone of this transformation, the infrastructure, the data, and the computing power, are positioned to benefit massively. The goal of this channel is simple: show you how starting small, staying consistent, and investing wisely can help you build real wealth over time. Whether you are just starting out or trying to level up your investing game, this strategy is designed to work for you. Let's break it down step by step. Today, we are exploring what happens when you invest $25 per week into Oracle Corporation. This is called dollar cost averaging, consistently investing the same amount regardless of market conditions. Over time, this strategy helps reduce risk and smooth out volatility. Instead of trying to time the market perfectly, you are building your position steadily, week by week, month by month, year by year. And when you combine consistency with a strong company that is deeply connected to the artificial intelligence boom, the results can become very powerful. Oracle Corporation is one of the largest enterprise software and cloud infrastructure companies in the world. Oracle specializes in databases, cloud computing, and enterprise solutions, which are critical components for artificial intelligence. Here is why Oracle matters in the AI boom. First, data is the fuel of artificial intelligence. Oracle is one of the global leaders in managing and storing data. Second, AI requires massive computing power. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure is rapidly growing and competing with major players in the cloud space. Third, Oracle is partnering with companies building AI models, providing the back-end systems that allow AI to function at scale. In simple terms, while some companies build the AI tools, Oracle provides the foundation that makes AI possible. That is why many investors are paying attention. Let's compare Oracle's performance to the broader market, represented by the S&P 500. Over the past 3 years, the S&P 500 returned about 20%, while Oracle delivered approximately 22.96%. Over 5 years, the S&P 500 returned about 13.65%, while Oracle delivered around 19.83%. Over 10 years, the S&P 500 returned about 15.72%, while Oracle delivered approximately 15.65%. What does this mean for our investment strategy? Oracle has been competitive with the market long term, and in recent years it has outperformed, likely driven by its expansion into cloud computing and artificial intelligence infrastructure. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. The examples and opinions shared in this video are based on personal research and experience. Investing involves risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results. Always do your own research or consult with a licensed financial professional before making any investment decisions. Let's break down Oracle's growth. Over 3 years, the growth rate is approximately 22.96%. Over 5 years, the growth rate is approximately 19.83%. Over 10 years, the growth rate is approximately 15.65%. These numbers show a strong and consistent growth trend, especially in recent years as Oracle expands deeper into the artificial intelligence and cloud markets. If you invest $25 per week into Oracle, here is how your contributions grow over time. After 1 year, you invest $1,300. After 5 years, you invest $6,500. After 10 years, you invest $13,000. After 15 years, you invest $19,500. After 20 years, you invest $26,000. After 25 years, you invest $32,500. After 30 years, you invest $39,000. This is your total contribution before any growth. Now let's look at the power of compounding. After 5 years, your $6,500 grows to about $9,158. After 10 years, your $13,000 grows to approximately $29,484. After 15 years, your $19,500 grows to about $58,178. After 20 years, your $26,000 grows to approximately $107,312. After 25 years, your $32,500 grows to about $188,305. After 30 years, your $39,000 grows to approximately $334,627. Now doubling your investment, after 5 years, $13,000 grows to about $18,317. After 10 years, $26,000 grows to approximately $58,968. After 15 years, $39,000 grows to about $116,357. After 20 years, $52,000 grows to approximately $214,625. After 25 years, $65,000 grows to about $376,611. After 30 years, $78,000 grows to approximately $669,255. At $100 per week, after 5 years, $26,000 grows to about $36,635. After 10 years, $52,000 grows to approximately $117,937. After 15 years, $78,000 grows to about $232,714. After 20 years, $104,000 grows to approximately $429,251. After 25 years, $130,000 grows to about $753,222. After 30 years, $156,000 grows to approximately $1,338,510. At $150 per week, after 5 years, $39,000 grows to about $54,952. After 10 years, $78,000 grows to approximately $176,906. After 15 years, $117,000 grows to about $349,071. After 20 years, $156,000 grows to approximately $643,877. After 25 years, $195,000 grows to about $1,129,834. After 30 years, $234,000 grows to approximately $2,707,765. At $200 per week, after 5 years, $52,000 grows to about $73,270. After 10 years, $104,000 grows to approximately $235,875. After 15 years, $156,000 grows to about $465,429. After 20 years, $208,000 grows to approximately $858,503. After 25 years, $260,000 grows to about $1,506,445. After 30 years, $312,000 grows to approximately $2,677,020. At $250 per week, after 5 years, $65,000 grows to about $91,587. After 10 years, $130,000 grows to approximately $294,844. After 15 years, $195,000 grows to about $581,786. After 20 years, $260,000 grows to approximately $1,073,128. After 25 years, $325,000 grows to about $1,883,056. After 30 years, $390,000 grows to approximately $3,346,275. At $300 per week, after 5 years, $78,000 grows to about $109,905. After 10 years, $156,000 grows to approximately $353,813. After 15 years, $234,000 grows to about $698,143. After 20 years, $312,000 grows to approximately $1,287,754. After 25 years, $390,000 grows to about $2,259,668. After 30 years, $468,000 grows to approximately $4,015,530. Therefore, you can invest $25 a week into Oracle Corporation and potentially build significant wealth if you stay consistent and give your investments time to grow. The real power comes from consistency, patience, and letting compounding do the work. And if you increase your investment to $50, $100, $200, $250, or even $300 per week, the results can become life-changing. In the next video, we will explore other ETFs such as Invesco QQQ Trust, SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF, Vanguard Information Technology ETF, and VanEck Semiconductor ETF. You will see comparisons and discover which investments can help you build wealth starting with just $25 per week. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next one. Thank you for watching. Stay consistent and stay invested.
Welcome to $25 Investor, the channel that proves you don't need to be rich to build wealth. If you can invest just $25 a week, I'll show you how consistency and time can turn small money into long-term financial freedom. Let's get started.